Japan is taking a major step away from its post-war pacifist stance. The government has relaxed long-standing restrictions on exporting military equipment. For decades, Japan limited arms exports to non-lethal categories like transport and rescue. Under the new rules, Japan can now export lethal weapons to selected partner countries. These include 17 nations with existing defense agreements. A ban on sales to active conflict zones remains, though exceptions may apply in special cases. Officials say the move is aimed at strengthening national security and regional stability. The shift comes as regional tensions rise, particularly involving China and Taiwan. China has expressed concern, warning against what it calls militarization. Japan's pacifist stance dates back to 1947, when its constitution renounced war entirely.